Good evening, sir. Sir? Hello.
Hi guys, how are we?
Hello, sir.
Mm.
Hi, sir.
Hey man, how are we doing today?
We're doing okay so far.
Good job, good
Trying
job.
to
I'm
finish up your work.
yeah, let me apologize for the late notification. I really wasn't feeling well. When I had you wouldn't know, but when I was having class on Monday, I really wasn't well. And I was kind of pushing it, and then Tuesday no. So when I finished with two, I just went straight to bed. And Tuesday, I had a carryover of what it is. So today's, my best day since the week has started. So I'm just giving God thanks for that. Dana, I know you weren't well as well on Monday. How you feeling now?
A lot better,
Okay.
actually.
Praises be, praises be, praises be. All right. So um okay, no problem. Beyonce. All right. So I know when it was sent, those of you who work would have been at work and maybe wouldn't get an opportunity to, get some of the stuff done up. But what I'll do is give you a few, to today's going to be a little worky something because when I finish today's session, um, that will be the end of interest and depreciation. Interest and depreciation would include simple interest, compound interest, and the depreciation itself. All right. So we'll call the topics interest, simple interest, compound interest, and depreciation. So has anybody completed the first? Because if I can, um, hmm, let me see if I can capture what was sent. Proof buff. Sent. Ah, okay. Dana, your last name is Nelson, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Did you receive the email from us today?
Yes, I did.
Okay, great. It's just that I seen a notification again that it was returned. So I know Shauna had done something. So we need to delete this one here. Your name was spelled instead of a L, it was spelled a I. So we need to delete that one so I don't get back that notification. Um, calculate the simple. Okay, so what I did for you right here rather is to not sure how many of you would have had the calculation for the first one. So I did the first one calculation as a reminder, because I'm thinking maybe you'd have been at work and then you carry the stuff, and then I give it three other questions. Three other questions. Um, has anybody completed questions 2 through 5 for the simple interest already?
Yes, sir.
Good job.
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you. How many more of you completed those? How can I, how am I able to share this with, um, let's see if I can share.
In fact, I even mark up my book a whole lot
You
so I
mark up
can
the book?
see, where the wickedness come from. When those new questions asking me for rate.
Oh my Lord.
But anyways, after
Um,
all of the try, I realized it was just a little thing I had to turn around. But
yeah,
anyway,
it is, it is what it is. I never normally like doing this thing like this. All right, so I wanted to share something here, but if I do that, um, I don't need to because All right, hold on 1 minute, please. Mm. Mm-mm. All right, so you have the document. You have the document. Peterson and edit. All right, so are you seeing the screen?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
All right. All right, so the aim is not for me to really do the questions for you, because you did say to me, sir, don't give me the answers. So it's not for me to do the question. I want you to be able to do the stuff. So if today's going to be a worky day, it's not for me to do the questions. But what I want to do, I hear Camille say, well, sir, you make me mark up my book, because I challenged you in one of them to do the time calculation, and just allow me to go through the time calculation with you. It says, in what time will $750 produce a simple interest of $150 at a rate of 6% per annum? So what this calls for is for you to read with understanding. You know that is simple interest, and you have several things. You have time, you have simple interest, you have principal, and you have rate. So what you're going to do is, as you read the question, you're going to write down what it is you have, and then now you can find out what it is that you want. You're not going to get an equation with two unknowns. I cannot give you an equation with two unknowns. That is just wrong. I can give you two unknowns with two equations, and you solve simultaneously. But in a case like this, I have to give you one equation, and you have an unknown that you're trying to find. All right? So it's just one thing that you're not going to have. So let us read the question and see what we have. In what time? They're asking you in what time, suggesting that they're asking you to calculate time. That's what it is suggesting, that you're supposed to be calculating time. In what time will $750 produce a simple interest of 150? Oh, hold on. A simple interest of 150 means that my simple interest is $150. Everybody say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At a rate, well, that one easy, because the percent come beside it at a rate of 6%. So you know your rate is 6%. But what some students will do is put $750 as a simple interest. But no, it says, in what time will $750 produce a simple interest? The mere fact that the $750 is bigger than the $150 will suggest that the $750 is going to be your principal. No. So what it is that we have is a principal of 750, the simple interest of 150, and a rate of 6%. All right? So it means that time is going to be my unknown. I have my formulation. Simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time. See it here? Simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time over 100. Now, what I did there in full blue is to show you what the formula is going to be like to calculate time, to show what the formula is going to be like to calculate principal, and to show what the formula is going to be like to calculate your rate. Sir, do we have to do that? No. You can use the same formula up top. You can use the same formula up top.
But sir,
Yes, my love.
when you send the document, hold on. When you send the document,
Mm-hmm.
the truth is it's not looking as neat as yours, you know. It's all over the place.
No,
Those I'm not sure for the other person, but for the formula, it was all over the place for me.
you see, no, because I PDF the file for that very reason. That very reason I PDF the file. Okay,
Morning.
anybody else had the same issue like me?
Sir, with the file not open?
Well, is it not opening?
Well, for me, not open. Then come up phone. Why me? Yeah,
Sir,
Go ahead, please.
it's opening on your phone.
Yeah, but I mean, Kami say that it's opening, but it's not coming out as neat as this one. So I'm asking the rest of you, were you having the same challenge? Because that's the reason I PDF the document, you know, because I know I use a special software to type my stuff. So had I sent the Word document, I know it would have been problematic. But once I PDF the document, it's supposed to come just like how I'm presenting it here. So I'm asking the question again. Anybody else in the class want to talk to me now? Or it means I only never look on the document. Which one?
Sir, I look on the document, but me have the same thing that you're saying, that you should know.
So the same thing that I'm showing now on the screen is how it came out for you?
Yes, sir.
I mean, I don't know.
Probably it's my device then.
Possibly. What to open it up on? A computer or a phone or a tablet?
My phone.
But it shouldn't be though, because the document is PDF, so I mean it should come out.
So it kind of based off of the app that you use. Because sometimes
Based off of what?
Change it.
Sorry, based off what? I didn't hear the first part. Based off what?
No, I was saying based off of the app that some person use, so it can cause a different slight changes.
Oh, but anyhow.
Sir, why is that echo?
Why what?
Everybody echo. Even more on sir.
Oh, I'm not hearing any echo. Anybody else hearing an echo?
Yes, sir.
Wow.
Sir.
Yes, please.
You can be about 5 minutes. You can have post on the line. So not go.
Ah, cool. All right, Panko. All right. I will go over this when he comes back, but let me just look at the stuff here. So I apologize, Kami. See what basic can get from what teacher is trying to show you here now. So as I said before, you can use, if you want to use a time formula, time is going to be equal to simply interest times 100 over principal times rate. Now, let me just explain this formulation in blue. You recognize that all of them start with simply interest times 100 in the numerator? Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Good. And then if we're talking about time, the only other two things that are left is going to be principal and rate, don't? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
So principal and rate will mean the denominator. And let us look at the P formula now. If we're calculating P, remember, no, SI times 100 is always in the numerator. So that means the only two things we'll be missing is T and R, time and rate. So time and rate going to be in the denominator. And if we look at rate, SI times 100 is in the numerator as for the others. So the only things that will be missing will be T and P, time and principal, right? So it is easy to remember. easy to remember to do the stuff. So what I did here was to use a time formula, simply interest times 100 over principal times rate, because I'm trying to find time. So how you waste time I'm trying to find? Because I have the simple interest, I have the principal, and I have the rate. But sorry, you don't have the 100. I do actually. That percent beside the rate is where the 100 come from in the formulation. That's where the 100 comes from in the formulation. So now, what we're going to be saying is we're making a substitution wherever I see SI, I'm going to put 150. So SI times 100 is going to be 150 times 100. PR, principally 750 times 6, 750 times 6. Sir, but I don't see the percent. Yes, that 100 in the numerator is from the percent for the rate. And then all I do is just work it and twerk it.
Sir, that's all.
Yeah, man. So all we talk about here, son, is just to recognize that we're using a time formulation, SI times 100 over principal times rate. And all I'm doing there is just making a substitution. All I'm doing there is just making a substitution. What is the substitution we're making? Simply interest, we're going to put 150. Principal, we're going to put 750. And R, we're going to put 6. But somebody is saying to me, as I'm hearing it, sir, where is the 100? It's there. The 100 in the numerator is from the percentage. The 100 from the numerator is a percentage. So really, having made the substitution, 150 times 100 is 15,000. Can you see that? Hello, somebody? And 750 times 6 is 4,500. And what I did there is just to cancel 2 zeros. So I'm going to have 150 over 45. And if I say 5 into 45, it goes 9 times, and 5 into 50 goes 30 times. So I'm going to have 30 over 9. But I recognize now that 3 can go into both of them. 3 into 10 into 30 goes 10 times, and 3 into 9 goes 3 times. So I'm going to have 10 over 3. And 10 over 3 is the same thing as 3 1/3. So it's going to be 3 1/3 years. Remember, time is calculated in years. 3 1/3 years. What is 1/3 of a year?
So 3 months.
Think about it.
Sir, 4 months.
It will be 4 months. 4 months, Cornella. Your papa?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will be 4 months. So that answer will be 3 years and 4 months. So that's what the time calculation is like. And then now this calculation that I did right here was the exact one that I typed out for you, the one that we did in class on Monday. So at least I know you have it. I know we use we call it now our whiteboard. That really wasn't so, kosher. So now that you have it, Chris and Corey, we do that. This warm-up question, I did the solution to the warm-up question because I want to speak specifically about that one sometime later. All right. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give you some time. It is your responsibility now to work through these questions for me. I'm going to give you about 45 minutes to work through. I have the answers, I think. No, I need to work those out. I should have the answers quickly. I may not have the solutions, But it is important that, and this is classwork, it is important that I don't come and do the questions for you, but you at least get an opportunity to do the questions. Yes, I apologize again. I should have sent it off on Monday, but I really wasn't well. But all right, so I'll give you a few minutes to do this, all right?
Sir,
Yes, please.
what am I do? Like write it on a paper and take a picture and send it or what?
No, man, no, just write in a book and keep it. I'm not collecting this to mark,
Okay,
right?
it's the classwork, that's all.
Right. So it's classwork. Yeah, man. It's not a graded classwork. Because I just want us to do it so you do it so at least I know that you have the stuff. All right? Go and work for me, please.
Sir,
Yes, Papa.
I don't want to cuss me, but me I tell you honest truth. But see, you can't believe the class start from how long from them time they say, some on the book. I just some piece of paper me I use from them time there.
But you look like you want a teacher come hold in by your neck and shake you.
No man, that's true. Me always a come in late. But that come like a carelessness for myself. But me have a book now still.
All right. Do your thing, Papa.
Sir. Sir.
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Me I go up off of the class about 5 minutes. Then I change up me in a breaker box so the light I chip out.
All right, then make sure you're safe and hurry up and come back though.
But me I go me start do the work already.
All right, great. Sounds good. All right. All right, guys, I'm seeing Stewie asking if somebody could send the document for her in the chat. Does
Sir,
anyone? Yes, please.
me send her it through WhatsApp. I don't know if
Okay.
she get
Thank
it.
you, sir. Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. All right, cool. Continue working. Are we guys working or we on TikTok? Which one?
So we are working. He's working.
Make sure, make sure, because I'm coming to you in another 15 minutes.
All right. Me answer the fourth question then.
All right, good job. Keep it up. The rest of you, please work. Sorry about that, guys. I got bumped off. Don't know if you realize, but I'm ready now. I'm ready. 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 Let me see how I'm gonna do this. All right. Beyonce, are you back with us? All right, moving. Carnelo, are you there?
Yes, sir.
All right. For the simple interest question that says, calculate the simple interest on 98,765 at 2% per annum for 5 years. What was your answer?
Yes, sir, I'm here. Repeat that again, sir. Which one of them? Which of the questions?
Question 2 under the simple interest. The first question 2.
Oh,
Calculate the
it
simple
was
interest on. Go ahead.
It's 9,876.50.
Anybody else got
Sir,
that?
I got $9,876.05.
And 50 cents.
No, I put the 50, I just put 5 cents.
Sir, what them say?
50.
Like a 50 cents, not 5 cents.
Mhm.
Sir, my calculator not
9,850.
giving me the 50 cents, you know.
What is it giving you?
5.
0.5.
Are you seeing 0.5 or 0.05? For 0.5, then a 50 cent. It now go show you the zero. It just a go show you
Oh.
5.
All right, lovely. Thanks.
Mhm.
Sir, the answer right?
Yes, 9,876.50 cents is correct. So, as I promised you yesterday, is there anyone in the class that
Hello?
sorry, no, it's just that I saw people moving on the screen, so I just had to make a change a while ago. Is there anyone in the class that did not get the $9,876.50? We'll clear up the 5 cents situation
Yeah,
already.
that's what I. What? So, sir,
Mm-hmm.
I don't. What did you just say? I have 9,876.50 or 50 cents.
Same difference, 0.50 or 50 cents, same difference. 5 cents is
Yeah.
going to be 0.05. So once you see 0.5 there, remember that money is two decimal places, so you're going to add a 0 at the end. So it's going to be 0.50, which is 50 cents.
Mm-hmm.
All right, so it sounds like we got that. All right, great. Students, I will only do the solution, if it is that you genuinely have a problem. So if you have a problem and don't want to speak, sorry, I can't help you.
Sir,
Yes, please.
all right, we just want to confirm something. I know that you talk about it just a while ago, but as I said before, we did have the 9,800. Well, I don't know. We have the $9,876.05. So just confirm it. So the reason being for that, the true the 5 is at the 10th place in the decimal format, sir. You just add 0, just want to
Yes,
understand.
sir. Yes,
All right.
sir. All right, good job. Calculate the
Move on.
simple interest on $600 at 3% per annum for 3 years. What's the answer?
54.
54.
$54.
For job. Anybody else?
$54. Yeah.
Anybody
Sir,
has
no, I never get that.
what did you get?
Question 3, sir?
Yeah.
18.
18.
I think we did something wrong. Oh, it should be a 6, so I put 2. Lord have mercy.
Okay, do it quickly for me and tell me if you get the 54, so I don't have to do it.
Sir, I get a prize if we get everything right.
Sure.
I can tell you one more.
Is it 54, sir?
54 is correct. Yes, mom.
Yes, sir, I get it
All
now.
right, good. Dijon, in Jesus' name, leave me alone. All right. Number 4, calculate the simple interest on $1,250 at 8% per annum for 4 years. What's the answer?
4 bills.
400.
4 bills is correct. What about the rest of you?
So I didn't get it. I didn't do it either.
Why?
Oh yeah, me get it. I lie. Me get it, yeah. Sir,
Okay.
come in and sure for this topic. I'm not telling a lie.
You better
Yes, sir.
sure. You better sure. All right. Nadra, I'm not hearing from you. Sasha B, not hearing from you. Francine. Francine. Don't make your teacher fall out.
Sir,
Yes, Frano.
you know what I did? I did the compound interest one and not the simple interest. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Well, I'm going to charge you.
Sir, you said 400, right?
400 is correct. Yes, please.
Okay.
All right. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Moving. Calculate the simple interest on $900 at 3% per annum for 2 years. Answer.
54.
54,000.
All right. 50 what?
54.
$54, sir.
Me could have straight me estimate say 54,000. Because if a 54,000 would I love to invest in your company.
I don't
Imagine
believe so, sir, but I joke.
Oh, can imagine me I invest $900 and I get $54,000? Blow! Me I
Rich
invest
man.
enough money. All right, good job. I'm very happy, guys. It says to me that you guys are understanding. Shauna K, there's nothing difficult about this topic. So stop telling yourself you can't do it. There's absolutely nothing difficult about this topic. All you do is substitute into a formula. All right? Time calculation, number 7. I did 6 for you. Number 7. In what time will $25 earn a simple interest of $100 at a rate of 5% per annum?
Where does it?
In what
80, sir.
time? 80
80
yams,
years.
bananas?
80.
80 years.
Cornello, what is it?
80 years, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir. 80 years is correct. All right? You can't
How
just tell me
I
80.
calculate?
Huh?
What you calculate? In?
Dijane, no say no there. I the question them
No,
we are do.
I
We're
see
at
him
number
from
7.
Oh, all right, sir. Talk.
Number what?
7,
Number 7.
Dijane.
Sir, with the number pooch. You know what? Wait there. I'm not
Jesus
at
help her.
80 years. I'm gonna sit down for the 80 years. But the question 2, 3, 4, and 5. But the number 7.
So wait till we get a question for pretty looks.
But things are just the one them where they show up on your screen.
And then but I showed all of them because I went through question 6.
No, sir. At the time, I think I the one the way just show up on your screen.
Dijane. So why would I give you 45 minutes? Think about it. To do them 4 easy questions there.
Somehow is slower.
You know, Pitney.
Maybe I David, I don't know.
I pray for you.
Child, in Jesus' name, I rebuke you.
So 80 years is correct. Dijane, you need to go and do the question for me, please, ma'am. And thank you. So 80 years is correct. Very nice. Anybody else has a problem
Follow
with,
the
with number
formula.
7?
No,
It's
sir.
just
What
a
is
formula that
number
you can use.
6?
Say it again.
What is number 6?
Number 6 is what I did. I went through number 6 in class with you earlier.
Oh, yeah.
Numero 8. Number 8 says, calculate the rate percentage on $1,000 invested for 8 years, producing a simple interest of $82. What's the percentage? What's the rate percentage?
1.025%.
And I need some other takers.
Sir, I want to get this. Me not sure.
That wrong, sir.
Go do this for me. Can I get it?
Sir, that wrong.
What wrong?
The answer you just get.
This is very correct. 1.025% is correct.
Sir, that's what I got as
The
well.
answer is 1.025%.
That's correct. Very good. Shauna K, you're shutting down on me. Please unmute me, Shauna K. You're shutting down on me. And it's too early in the semester for you to shut down on me. What is the difficulty with that? What is the problem?
But just not get it yet.
What you don't get?
The workout. Not true, I never do it, but I follow. Let's try follow.
Simple interest is equal to principal times rate times time over 100. All right? You're asked to calculate the rate. So the rate formula is going to be equal to simple interest times 100. All of them start like this. which are the other two unknowns we need? It's going to be principal and time. It says
82.
calculate the rate percent on $1,000 invested for 8 years. So what is the 1,000 representing? What is the simple interest amount in the question?
Not wait there. The simple interest amount are 82. 82 times 100 over over 1,000 times 8.
Right.
And then you divide it.
Mm-hmm. I did.
And then you'd get the 1.025%, sir.
Shauna, what is wrong with that? Look at that, Shauna. Sometimes, let me tell you, sometimes when you fail a course, and it's not because you don't know what to do. Sometimes you just shut down. When the brain telling you want something, and you just shut down. There's no need for you to shut down.
Watch ya.
Yeah, I'm not shut down. We just kind of feel lost, something like that. But we get what you're saying.
No, but hold on, my love. Hold on. Shauna K, you are always here.
Yes, sir.
You participate in the class. Tell me where and at what point in time you were lost and you never said anything to me, Shauna.
Sir, no, like this. Because I told me not do it, so I'm not second, sir. I'm not second to do it and say anyone to do, because...
Shauna, come on,
Yes,
man. I give you
sir.
45. Not just you alone, because there are others in the class who don't talk. I gave you guys 45 minutes to do the question. If you had a problem, what you were supposed to do?
Say something.
Okay. All right. Big up yourself. I'm glad when you know when you're supposed to do, when you never did do it. It says no. At what rate will $100 earn a simple interest of $30 over 4 years? What's the rate?
Sir, I got 7.5%.
Very good, Dana. I like that. Very nice. Kemi, come on, what you get?
Hold on, sir. Give me a minute.
Francine, what you get?
Wait there, which one, sir? Hold on.
Please, if you tell me 200 mega screen. The
We're at
reason you're
number
going to
9.
say it again?
Oh, 7.5%.
Okay. The reason what you get?
7.5, sir.
The reason what you get? Aiken. Oh, you got the same thing? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Frano. Frano.
All right, sir. I might get a bit I might be a bit less interactive in class because I'm currently leaving work now.
All right, cool, no problem. You did enough. You did well.
Yeah.
All right. I better stick to the maths. Dijani, you make more money.
Jesus Christ.
Goodness.
I say thing me like a sir. That this them weird.
I agree with you, sir.
David. Remember me in a class, yeah? Don't exaggerate.
Dijani, that
Who tell
felt
us
good
say
a
you're
while
gonna see me
ago.
September?
You not see me that.
Dijani, that felt nice a while ago. Jeez and peas. All right, come,
What?
Dijani.
So me not come back here class. Just send me notes them. Can't deal with you. So 7.5 I'm answer.
No, we move on from there, so my love. You see, if you need that try sing, you don't know, so we'll move on from there. So what is number 10, please?
Michael Jackson, my father.
Oh my goodness, you sure it's not a
Don't do
jacket?
that.
All right,
Don't
let's
do
go.
something
No,
so wicked.
is
Don't
that
do
your
something
jacket
so
that you know?
wicked.
Come on, guys. Number 10. How much must be invested to earn a simple interest of $48 at a rate of 6% per annum for 3 years.
266 point, wait. Of this one.
$266.
0.67.
And what?
266.67.
Okay.
Something like that.
Dana, what you get?
So that's what I got.
Okay. All right. Francine, what you get? Reese, what you get? David, you know, so you not talk to teacher tonight. It's just you and Dijonay have conversations, you know. Shauna, Sashi B, BB, where you get?
Sir.
You. You never did that one either?
No, sir. Sir, me go do them.
66.673.
Who says
Them
so?
can help them a second.
Me.
Okay, no problem. Reese, Aiken, talk to me now. Ooh. Kimmy Johnson. I mean not Johnson. Lawrence.
Yes, sir. I got the same thing.
Good job.
$266.67.
Good job, my lovey. Good job. All right, nice. Love the sound of that, guys. You are doing pretty well. Don't follow Dijonary here. You're right. $266.67. Come on, you have a problem calling the 67 cents, you know, because you are called 0.67 is money talking about. So I want to hear 67 cents. All right, very nice though. So what I did with you, the question on the compound interest, I gave ask David, I gave you the workout for that question. So question 2 under compound interest, it says calculate the compound interest on 98,765 at 2% per annum for 5 years. Whoa. Wow. That was kind of harsh,
I
David.
know what I'm doing, sir. I really don't know what I'm doing.
No, man, DJ, I'm a dupes, man. They can't treat us so loud. Guys, calculate the compound interest on 98,765 at 2% per annum for 5 years. What's the answer? Nobody can cross that one. I'm sure that nobody get that one right.
So you know, so I never reach that far. Reach at the 3rd year.
All right. Or finish it off. Anybody finish it?
Just too long.
It's just too long? Okay, well, guess what? Sometimes you go into the exam and they tell you 5 years. So, and you notice I want to give you 1 5-year one. So, all right, I'm going to give you some time because I want to make sure. Let me tell you the difficulty with this question. It's not that you don't know how to do this stuff. It is you making mistakes as you go along in doing the question. So if it is 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, I'm not good with that. But to carry the correct decimal points right through for 5 years is what I'm testing. So I'm going to give you 5 more minutes because Cornello said that he's at the 3rd year. So I'm giving you 5 more minutes to do that one. Very nice. And then this warm-up question, I can do that warm-up question next class if time runs out. Oh, but we have the depreciation to the easy 1, 2, 3. Not a problem. Yes, please.
Audrey, you know, we only they calculate the compound interest of $678 at the rate of 5% per annum for 3 years.
The one above that one, number 2.
Oh boy. Okay.
What you get for that?
Sir, but they tell me I read so far, I think a joke.
And then you want a burger. But you can't get, you have to get, you have to do work.
On number 3. No pickle.
Number 3. No pickle, no onion.
Thank you.
Big up yourself.
Change
All right,
it
David,
to
I hope you're taking notes, David.
Sir, seriously, what am I doing in my life, sir? Not the first man, where I'm DJ.
Oh, goodness. I love it. All right, 5 minutes.
Use alone, father alone can feel shame. My pocket not so top.
Sir,
Anybody finish?
Sir, I'm almost in reach 50, but the thing is, I feel like I get confused, but I'm so finished. Because just, maybe I 50 to 5 years.
Ah, cool. All right, no, this is it. What's the answer?
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I've had something that, let me see, so. $8,184.13.
Anybody got that?
No, sir.
Sir,
What
I
you
never
got?
did other with them because, yeah, you mean?
Mm-hmm. Go ahead.
Sir,
Mm-hmm.
I was saying that I never get to do the other with them because that, as I can notice, that kind of give me a good amount of time to do the work, you know.
Fair
So
enough,
I
but
never
I'm
get
just
to
saying
do
to
it.
you, did you do it up to the 5 years?
Yeah, I don't get to the 5 years. So the first year, want me to tell you the answer?
No, don't tell me that yet. Don't tell me that yet.
Oh,
Dana, what you say? What you got, Dana?
For the 5 year, hold on.
Anybody else?
Sir, I got 10,279.05.
Who said that?
Francine.
Say it again, Francine.
10,279.05.
Sir, he get $10,279.54.
Okay.
Sir,
Yes, Dana.
all right. So I got I don't know if I'm right, but I got $10,293.49. I don't know if it's right.
Okay, anybody else? I heard 3 answers just now.
Sir, I got 9,876.50.
Okay. Anybody else? Talk to me now. All right. So just one person gave me the correct answer. One other person was very close. So again, David, I think this is where you need to really and truly reach out to Dejane, because her answer is right to the T. $10,279.54 is correct. Francine.
Yes, sir. I realize, man, I know what I do wrong.
Sir, my answer very close, man.
Francine, you said $10,279.05. And I am concerned. I'm going to tell you why I'm concerned. Because in the first question we did, some people were saying 5 cents. And it's not, when you say 0.5, it's not 5 cents. It is 50 cents. So when you said to me 0.5, mark you, if it was a 5 marker, I'd have given you 4 marks. It is still a good number of marks out of the question. But I want you to be able to understand, students, that when you do your calculation and say 0.5 or 0.3, it's going to be 3/10. 3/10 is 0.30 or 0.3. So 3/10 is 0.3, but because we're talking about money, we have to carry to the hundredths. So we add a 0 to it to give you 0.30 or 0.50. So when you say 0.5, please do not say 50 cents. Please, I mean 5 cents. Please do not say 5 cents. Please. All right.
Work on that one.
Huh?
Asking if you're going to work out that one.
It wouldn't give, I wouldn't have enough time, really and truly. It's 3 minutes now. Let me try. $98,765. $19.75.30. You see, I got 0.3, but I'm adding the 0. $19.75.30. So this is going to be 98765 plus 1975.30. It's $100,740.30. My new principal for the second year. 100,740.30 times 2%. 2014 and 81 cents. So I got 806, but I have to round off to the decimal place. I got the 81 cents. So what I'm going to do now is to say 100,740.30 plus 2014 81. $102,755. It's equal to 102,755 and 30 cents. So for the third year, it's going to be 102,755 and 30 times 2%. That's 2055 and 10 cents. And then now 102,755, 30 plus 2055 and 10 cents. It's going to be equals to 104,810 is equals to 104,810 and 40 cents. And for the fourth year is 104,810.40 times 2%. It's 296. 2096 and 21 cents. And then it's going to be 104,810 and 40 cents plus, that look like times, plus $2,096.21 plus 104,810 and 40. I'm getting 106,906 is equals to 106,906 and 61 cents. And then the fifth and final year, it's going to be 106,906.61 times 2% times 2%, 2138 and 13 cents. And then now I'm going to have 106, oopsie, 906.61 plus 2138.13 plus 106,906.61 is equals to 109,044 and 74 cents. That don't look so partial. Something look off on it. Anyhow, the question asks for the question is asking for the compound interest. Look at what I'm doing. I'm gonna say no. 109,044.74 minus.
Sir, oh,
Nine.
you get 74.
Me no know. That's what I say. Something look off from what I did right here. 7.
Sir,
You can go. I'm not gonna have the time to do it. You can go over for me because I'm going into your other class time. So you can go over and tell me where I would have gone off 98,765, and then I get 102,79.74. When I did it before, I got 0.54. And now I'm looking at it, I'm getting 74. I don't know where I went wrong. All right, so let us look at it. Well, I'm not going to do that because it's now 4 minutes past and I'm going to be respectful for the other class teacher time. Take a snap of this, please. I'm trying to. See if we can take a snap of that. And then you are going to go through and tell me where I went wrong with my small change, because the 10,279 is correct. The 4 cents is correct, but instead of having 54 cents, I'm having 74 cents. I'm not sure if the answer is supposed to be 74. And when I did it at first, I got something is off with the stuff. Mark you, it's not a far penalization, but your responsibility now for me, guys, is you're gonna look at that for me and tell me, sir, this is where you went wrong. All right, I have to go stop you now because it's Spanish you have now, right?
I have Spanish.
Who? Is it
I have
Spanish?
Spanish now.
Yes,
Oh,
sir.
right,
I
right,
am
right, right. I know Spanish is what you have now. And I don't want Miss Colleen to call me and say, sorry, you keep my students too long. So I'm gonna end here for now and then ask you to check for me. All right? Yeah, big up yourself. Thanks for coming on. Go ahead.
I got the answer for the first year, and I just multiply it by 5. And the
No,
answer that I gave you was
no,
English.
no, no, no.
All
You
right,
have
so
to do it.
next
You have to do it
class.
for each. Yeah, man. You have to do it for each period.
All right, next class.
Because
Then.
if you multiply by 5, what you're doing is calculating simple interest and not compound interest.
Okay.
All right, cool. Big up in yourselves. Later. Bye, Dijani. And the rest of you. I hope you get a burger.
Bye, sir.
Hey, man. Take
Bye.
care. Bye-bye.